My name's Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make text in Grayscale using Microsoft Word. Now here we are inside of Word, and occasionally you'll make a change to the document or somebody else will make a change on your computer and you won't know about it. And so you'll start to type like this. And you'll realize that your text is not coming out in a standard black color. Red does not look great on a resume. So what we're going to do is you can select the text and it automatically pops up this helpful little box where you can select the text color. And we're going to go back to automatic, which is black, but you can choose any of these colors are considered grayscale. And grayscale simply means it's a color that's a mix of white and black. So we're going to select the automatic black color. The other place that you can do this is right up here underneath the home tab in your ribbon. It's got that same little selection box, and you can use this to set it to any color, but if you want grayscale, it's really these two first columns there. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make text in Grayscale. I'm Josiah Ray.